Hey everyone, it's Tim. I want to do a quick update on the CIAS vials for those of you who don't know, because this will be going on the YouTube channel as well, because everybody needs to see this. This is such an incredible and amazing result that I have to share it on YouTube as well. For those on YouTube who don't know, I have developed, invented, founded, whatever you want, a substance that actually converts the energy from your cell phone, Bluetooth device, Wi-Fi, any electronic device that emits EMFs, converts the energy from it into health positive energy. And today I'm going to prove that to you with the living organism being a plant. I can't show it to you in humans because it would take too many years. So I did the whole grade school classroom experiment, and this is going to amaze you. For those who can see, this one right here, number 6, that is the control. This set, there's another set over that I'm going to show you in a moment. This set was hit, every one of them use the exact same soil, exact same pots, all the exact same number of seeds out of the exact same packaging, planted with using the exact same water. They're kept in this container back here that has a grow light over it, not in this position, but when it goes back. They're all hit with the exact same amount of light. This is what the CI active substance, or CIAS, will do in converting harmful EMFs into body positive or organism positive energy, cellular energy. So this is the control with nothing. This is just seeds. There's none of the experimental substance in it to convert the EMFs. There's no growth. I can dig down and show you it's just starting to break the seed. This is 9 days later. We'll look over here, and maybe I'll try to zoom in. Sorry, I'm not a videographer. How do I do this? Okay, here we go. Brand new camera. Look at that, folks. This one has the contents of a vial of CIAS dumped in with the seeds. This is not practical for human application because a single vial costs $18. If you wanted to apply it on your body, if we put it in a cream to apply to your whole body, first of all, you need about 10 of them to do your whole body. You'd probably want to do it a couple of times per day. So what we use is vials that I have around my neck. So now I want to show you, this one's not practical. It's the best, but it's not practical. In this one, there's actually 2 of these vials. 2 vials of the CIAS, or CI active substance, in there. This is the second best, and that's awesome. It's nice and healthy. It's not quite as good as the powder, but we can't use the powder anyway. So then we go down. Believe it or not, sorry, I have to zoom out of here a bit. This one has 2 vials, this one has 1 vial, and this one has just the base substance. And we'll just zoom in so you can get a close look. See, this one's got height, this one's starting to come up here. It's just broken the surface. This one, so as we go down, it actually, the amount goes down, it goes down as well. But I just want to compare the base substance to the compounded substance that in the CIAS or CI active substance vials. And you can see, powder form of it by itself, not practical for human, because you don't consume it, you put it on your body. 2 vials, nothing, no intervention whatsoever. There's 1 vial in there, trust me, there it is. 1 vial, and then we have here no vials. This one actually has 11 tablets in it. 11 tablets of the base substance. Pretty amazing, eh? This is what it will do. Yeah, I'm Canadian. We don't say this is how we convert that normally considered harmful energy into organism or cellular positive energy. This is amazing how this has turned out. But I'm just going to roll you over here. Oh, I should talk about this first. 1 second. Rolling you back. These were all hit with 17 to 19 milligauss of EMFs, of low frequency EMFs from a grow light. Made by, it's right here beside me. I'm just going to keep walking. I have the Mackenzie plants and seeds or something. measured. I wish I had brought, I should have checked that and did a video of it. I think I did and erased it, but that's fine. You'll have to trust me on that one. Let's move over to the next ones. Now these 4 vials, these were actually hit with 700 to 850 milliwatt per square meter of high frequency EMFs placed right beside a 1 gigabyte per second Wi-Fi router, wireless Wi-Fi router. So they're just being pounded with EMFs. So we'll tie this up. So this is number 1, the first one that I made. There's nothing in it. There's no growth. There's nothing. I need to see my numbers here. All right, here we go. This one with the greatest growth, nice and healthy. We'll zoom in here. We'll zoom in. Healthiest here is number 2. Has a single vial of my CIAS in it. So it went from nothing in the exact same amount of time. Nice healthy growth. Not as good as the lower voltage, but this group is being pounded with ridiculous amounts of EMFs. Something that would be completely unreasonable. We're not getting constant exposure to that. Actually, I might be at my desk because I'm surrounded with EMF emitting devices. So let's go here. We'll have a peek at this one, just breaking through, and number 7 in this case. There's no vials, correct? I just have to make sure of that. Now that's 7 tablets. I think I feel it. It's 7 tablets in that one of the base substance. And then we have how many? Okay, I believe that's 4 tablets. So, oops, making a mess. That's what I do. 4 tablets. 4 tablets seems to have worked better than 7 tablets. All exposed to the exact same radiation. Let's zoom out again. Have a quick little look. No intervention, meaning none of the experimental substance. You can see they've all been watered. They're all been watered equally and measured at 40 to 60 milliliters per day of rare earth mineral infused water. I've done that for all of them. Every plant that you've just looked at. So here's one. I'm going to bring over the other. Here's 2. Here are the 2 control plants with nothing. Just to compare side by side and being completely fair. Now this has got the high, extremely high EMFs, extremely dangerous EMFs as well. When you consider that 1 milliwatt per meter square of high frequency EMFs is considered dangerous. These are being pounded right at the source, measured at the plant itself, at between 700 and 850 milliwatt per meter square. Still growing when we include my experimental substance that is converting the EMFs into powerful, very powerful health positive energy. And you can see what the EMFs are doing to these plants. They're not growing in comparison to the rest. Now this experiment, because these are getting hit with so much more, this smaller experiment with the extreme amount of EMFs isn't growing nearly as good as the lower EMFs, which is more typical of what the human body would be exposed to. The chances of you getting hit with 700 milliwatt per meter square of EMFs is ridiculous, and I'm not trying to state that you would. So I'm not trying to scare anybody. It was to be able to make the comparison, the actual side-by-side comparison. This one goes here. We'll zoom out and just look. There's no denying it, folks. The CIAS by itself, out of the package, the powder in the vial, 2 vials. Oops, push that one back down. 2 vials. Nothing, no pills, no nothing. Nothing's in there. Not hiding it. Look here, and we have it's 2 vials. That's 1 vial. This is 11 tablets of the base substance. Folks, what better example could I possibly give you to show you the power of my experimental invention, substance, whatever you want to call it, CIAS, which converts EMFs from cell phones, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi, as well as any electronic device, whether it's your refrigerator, your stove, a Fitbit, hearing aids, all of it. Converts it into health positive energy, and you're seeing a living and real example of it, side by side comparison to see how powerful this substance really is. Anyway, folks, I'm talking way too long and my battery's just about dead, so that's all for today. Bye for now.